Experience today visiting a brand new place in Summit, New Jersey called Bod Envy. It is such an amazing experience to be in the wellness and spa industry where I get to meet colleagues also with the mission to helping people look and feel good. And I have to tell you that if you're looking for an extreme weight loss solution, this is the place to go. Not too far from where we are in Bernardsville, right up the road on Route 78 in beautiful downtown Summit. Go check their place out, tell them we sent you, and they will give you the preferred experience of a